Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's UWASCOPIPS again. This week we'll be looking at two or three pairs. We'll be looking at three pairs: gbpnzd, Gbp Jpy, and eurusd. We are going to look at these pairs and see what we expect in the next coming week. Currently, the market is closed now. As a good trader, when the market is closed, you analyze your charts, you know what you expect in a new week. Welcome back to my channel for old subscribers, and if you're a new subscriber, you can subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, and like and share, comment on our posts. So today, as I told you, we'll be looking into these three pairs: gbpnzd, Gbp Jpy, and eurusd. And currently, this is gbpnzd. This is the 4 hours time frame. So in this video as well, what I'll be showing you is how to do a top to bottom analysis for swing traders. So the first thing we do is that we go to the weekly time frame to identify the market structure. So in some weeks now, since March 2020, we can see that the market has been on a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Look at it. It's a downtrend on the gbpnzd, and also we can see some support and resistance area, like here. Here has been a resistance area. Here, this zone has been a resistant area for quite some time now, and here again has been a support zone. It has been a support zone for quite some time. As you can see, support is when market moves up and touches and fails to break it. As you can see, this is a support zone, the support line. It came here again to support. So we'll be moving into the daily time frame to cater for more other touches, to see things in a more clearer view. So this is the daily time frame right now. As you can see, it's still on a bearish trend, and as you can see in this area, as you can see right here, you can see a touch here. As you can see, okay, let me make this very visible. As you can see, there is a touch right here. There is a touch here. As you can see, all right. There's also some touches right here. So what do we expect from this pair? It has already formed a bearish engulfing candle on a resistance line. So what we'll be expecting that the market pushes to the downside. We expect that the price pushes back to the downside. And for us to get a quicker entry, we can go to the 4 hours time frame. As you can see in the 4 hours, okay, let me zoom a little bit. As you can see in the 4 hours, market has been on a trend, an uptrend right here. It has been on an uptrend on the 4 hours time frame, and price has just broken this trend. Price has just broken the trend. As you can see, how do we even identify an uptrend? An uptrend is when market makes series of higher highs and higher lows. As you can see, this is a higher high, higher low, a higher high here, and a higher low here. So this is how we identify an uptrend. So market has just broken this support trend line. So what do? We expect that market retests. As you can see right here, there is a mini zone right here. We expect that the price of gbpnzd pushes back to this zone as a retest, and then continue its way to the downside. All right, that is it for gbpnzd. We are waiting for a retest of some sort and a push to the downside. And mind you, on the daily time frame for gbpnzd, it has given us a bearish engulfing candle on a resistance, which means that price is about to push to the downside. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we go to the second pair for today, which is Gbp Jpy. And as we trade, first of all, we go to the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame to identify structures and key market levels. As you can see on Gbp Jpy, we find out that here has been a resistance line for weeks and weeks and weeks. It means here has been a resistant line. As you can see, price got to this point, he refused to break. He came here, touch, here is a third touch. So what we'll be expecting right here, since we have identified our key resistance, here is another key support. Here is another support zone of some sort. As you can see, look at the touches. Look at the touches. We move to the daily time frame to check for more visible entries. Here is the daily time frame, and as you can see on this daily time frame, price has been doing a higher high and higher low to the upside. As you can see, there has been a higher high and higher low to the upside. Look at it, a higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high here, higher low, like this, higher high, higher low. This is it. This is an uptrend. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, what do we expect? Since this is an uptrend and price is at the resistance level, what do we expect when price is at a resistance level? We expect that the price starts to fall. We expect that the price starts to decline, or that the price starts to come down. As you can see on the daily time frame, there was no much movement of Gbp Jpy on Friday, 19th of February 2021. Markets ended up forming an inverted hammer, though the wicks weren't very long. So for this, we expect that by this coming week, on the 4 hours time frame for quicker entries, we expect that price starts to come down. Price starts to come down. Okay, it has formed a morning star, an evening star kind of candle here, which means that price is coming to the downside. And mind you, this is a resistance level, which also makes sure that price is coming to the downside. So you see, this is the last uptrend. So what do we expect? We expect that the price of Gbp Jpy comes down to touch this trend line, and it might possibly not break the trend line. It might continue here and form a double top formation and starts to sell to the downside. Might start to sell to the downside. All right, this is what we expect. Or we expect that price of Gbp Jpy might just come down to this mini support zone here. It might just come to this mini support zone like this. Wait, let me show you market analysis. The second scenario is that price might come to this mini support zone. Once it gets here, it might continue to the upside and break this resistance, retest, and still continue to the upside. These are two scenarios we are expecting in this coming week. Now for the Euro USD chart, Euro USD chart is currently on the 4 hours time frame. But what we do in top to bottom analysis is that we first of all go to the higher time frame to identify main structure. So this is the weekly time frame. As you can see, there has been a resistant line somewhere here. All right, look at here has been a resistant line. You can see from past data, you see that price failed to break this point, which it was a resistance. It later broke, came down all the way. It came down and started creating a higher high and higher low into the upside, and finally price broke out, and here is a retest. Which means that price, this resistance line has currently turned into a support zone. Let's go into the daily time frame to see. Let's see for clearer vision. All right. This is what it looks like. As you can see on the daily time frame, you can also see that this has been here has been some kind of resistance as well. So let's check on the 4 hours. All right, on the 4 hours time frame, this is for quicker entries. 4 hours is for quicker entry. As you can see right here, there was resistance here. Here was resistance. At a time, it turned to support. You see resistance again, and this place, which was formerly resistance line, later turned to a support zone, as you can see it. So market analysis is usually about touches. Don't mind me, my chart is dirty. This is 4 hours time frame. So what do we expect? We expect some sort that since price has broken, price has been moving in a downtrend and it has broken the resistance trend line and has retested, here is a key support zone. Just look at the arrow. Here is a key support zone. So we expect that price might continue to the upside because of this little support. This mini support is usually invisible, as you can see. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that I expect that once market open in the new week, that the price of Euro USD might come down to this zone, and buyers will continue to buy from this zone, thereby moving the price of Euro USD to the upside. So that is it for now. I'll be giving more updates on different pairs in this coming week, and I hope this video is educational to you. You find it beautiful. Just give us a like, share, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button so that you get to know when we post something new and learn. And in this channel, I'll be doing back-to-back educational content, how to analyze charts, little things like forex market terminologies, how to identify trends, different types of trends, and many things, everything educational. So ladies and gentlemen, you know we can't be doing this without you, so we beg for your support by liking our video, sharing, subscribing to our channel all our social media platform. You just keep seeing our good works to enable us continue. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you.